Are you fed up spending large amounts of money on auto maintenance every month? Or perhaps you dread taking the bus or train to work? Why not try e-bikes? Considering the soaring gas prices, e-bikes will be your new companion as they are a much more affordable means of transportation. They can even help you navigate through heavy traffic easily and cover greater distances in shorter time. So here are 10 of the cheapest electric bikes you can buy in 2022. Number 10. Electric Bike Company Model E. Designed and built in the USA, the new Model E is a strong and stylish beach cruiser priced at $1,899. When we researched the Model X of this brand a while back, we were blown away by its sophistication and quality. Electric Bike Company bikes are proudly made in the United States, and it is evident with our attention to every little detail of the design. This one, in contrast to the Model X, is more streamlined, has a built-in battery, and is completely customizable. The e-bike has comfortable Schwinn Fat Frank tires, an aluminum frame, steel fork, and a vintage handlebar. With the e-assist, this bike encourages you to kick back and enjoy the ride. If you get too comfy on your ride and forget to look both ways when crossing a street, the disc brakes on the Model E will ensure that you come to a smooth stop. Number 9. Rad Power Bikes Radmini. Sold at $1,799, this Radmini addresses 3 quirky bike niches. It is an electric foldable bike on 20-inch by 3-inch tires. It can travel further and faster on terrain than most e-bikes, but it also folds up to fit in your trunk or office. Is it a bike or an origami crane? Who knows? The bike's 750-watt Bafang-geared hub motor and 7-speed Shimano Tourney gearbox give it a 25 to 45-mile range and 20 miles per hour top speed. A 60mm front suspension fork smooths dirt roads and other challenging terrains, while Tektro disc brakes allow for firm stops. The bike weighs just 67 pounds, so even if you run out of battery, it can easily be pedaled for considerable distances. With a robust rear rack that can handle up to 40 pounds and the possibility to add a front rack, this bike might be a great asset for anybody wishing to replace their automobile commute with a bicycle, especially on gravel roads. Number 8. Schwinn Coston 27.5 inches CE Step-Thru. It has been some time since one of the most well-known bicycle manufacturers finally accepted the fastest expanding bicycle category, electric bicycles. Based on the quality of its earlier products, Schwinn should have transitioned much earlier to manufacturing e-bikes. They now have several new electric assist versions like the Coston. The Coston provides a wealth of appealing features at an affordable price of $1,799.99, such as a 250-watt brushless geared hub drive pedal assist motor and a 35-mile range. It is a great choice for commuting, touring, and exploration. Don't forget to turn on the integrated battery-powered front light to be visible to drivers in the night. Number 7. Aventon Level. Sold at $1,799, Aventon's Level is a Class 3 commuter almost fully loaded, allowing you to maximize your e-bike experience without breaking the bank. This beauty has a 672 watt-hour integrated down-tube battery, which is a steal at this point. The integrated look gives the bike a more streamlined appearance than exposed battery packs. Do you want to feel the wind in your hair? With a thumb throttle, you can go up to 20 miles per hour without pedaling, and the bike's 500-watt engine can reach speeds of 28 miles per hour. Along with these excellent features, you also get 8-speed Shimano transmission, racks, fenders, and a large LCD. If you plan on commuting daily on an e-bike, you may want to consider purchasing panniers, lights, and a lock. According to Aventon's official page, Aventon Level is specifically designed and built for commuting riders in urban environments. However, if it's too pricey for you, there is another Aventon model on our list, which is lightweight and agile, making it ideal for urban settings, so stick around until then. Number 6. Swft Volt. The Swft Volt is worth a look if you're searching for something more reasonably priced. At about $1,299.99, this e-bike is relatively sturdy, demonstrates considerable range, and includes features such as a pedal assist and throttle. Surprisingly, the Swft doesn't resemble an e-bike. Perhaps the unique look comes with a few trade-offs such as a single gear system, a non-removable battery, and a simplistic display. It also requires a slightly longer setup process than most other electric bikes. However, given the low price, this choice is a good one for anyone on a tighter budget. Number 5. Rad Power Bikes Radrunner 2. You've probably seen this e-bike around your neighborhood before, or at least something similar. Call it a bike or not, the Radrunner 2 is affordable, practical, and thrives in the city. The e-bike design incorporates storage areas, a front rack, and a rear rack. It is possible to retrofit this $1,299.99 e-bike with several optional attachments to transport whatever your heart desires: a friend, pizza, or fresh fish, whatever floats your boat. Purchasing these editions may easily stack up the cost of this e-bike to $1,500 or $1,700. Regarding off-road capabilities and urban maneuverability, the Radrunner 2 has a short wheelbase with wide tires, but the steering is meant for those that enjoy a sporty feel. Even though the Radrunner 2 is a fun and agile bike to ride about town, most buyers won't use it as aggressively as the manufacturer intends. Sounds like it is time for an adventure. Number 4. Aventon Soltera. Going for $1,299, Aventon's cheap single-speed gear system offers simplicity and flair. The bike is also available in a 7-speed geared variant, but we like the practicality of this one-speeder. The Aventon Soltera includes a hard-to-beat brushless hub motor that engages with a simple throttle press, softly supporting you as you begin pedaling. It also comes with integrated lights, disc brakes, and rim brakes. In contrast to the bolt-on feel of many bikes in this price range, the battery is concealed in the bike's frame, which is an unexpected feature. The Soltera combines a city cyclist's most essential elements in a remarkably light 41-pound package, making it best for smoother roads and bike paths. Sleek and aerodynamic. Number 3. Radpower Bikes Radmission 1. One of the most economical e-bikes is Radpower's Radmission 1, a city bike with commuter potential. For $1,199, you can purchase a single-speed bicycle that can reach 20 miles per hour. Thankfully, the e-bike includes a throttle to help you ride through those tough inclines. Its 27.5 by 1.95-inch Kenda contact tires are thinner than the 2-inch or larger tires in commuter e-bikes, but they are broad enough to give you some speed and comfort on pavement and uneven bike trails. Don't forget to enjoy the lights, bell, and lengthy list of add-ons this bike manages to pack in its frame. The 15 Nm torque Radpower hub motor with a 504 watt-hour battery is detachable. Lucky for you, Radpower also sells backup batteries if you need one at work or home. The bike can also be purchased as a Step-Thru version that is simpler to mount and dismount from by putting your foot down at stoplights or in the chaos of city traffic. City traffic can be challenging and stressful. However, there is one kind of traffic that is beneficial. It's YouTube traffic, which is essential to this channel's development. So show some love and subscribe to our channel for weekly videos just like this. Number 2. Ride One Up Roadster V2. E-bikes start to become risky when their price falls below $1,000. The majority still rely on expensive lithium-ion battery technology, so if the final cost is that low, it might indicate that there may have been cost-cutting measures in other areas. Priced at $1,095, the Roadster V2 has several impressive qualities and still managed to become one of the cheapest e-bikes on the market. With its stealthy, lightweight design, you can easily navigate a major metropolitan city or a small village. It sacrifices lights, racks, fenders, and disc brakes to achieve its price point and weight. Although these items are not offered, the Roadster V2 is perfect for quick travels on mostly flat roads and pathways. If this e-bike doesn't wow you, we also have another one on our list that costs $1,000 and features intriguing extras like a Samsung battery. We will reveal it shortly, so stick around until then. You won't regret it. Number 1. Propella 7-Speed. If you are not already an enthusiast, you surely want a reliable and practical e-bike, preferably costing $1,000. This is a difficult task if you want a reliable motor and a frame that won't break at 15 miles per hour. The Propella 7-Speed is one of the most practical e-bikes we've found. It has exciting additions like a suspension seat, in addition to reliable components like Shimano disc brakes and a Samsung battery. It can be delivered directly to you, which is very convenient if you want to avoid a bike shop. Although you can order this bike at the click of a button, Propella updates their bicycles every few months, so be sure to update yourself on their new features. Fair warning, you should research this e-bike before buying it, since it's a direct-to-consumer bike and could be difficult for your local store to repair. E-bikes are a great way to get outside, especially if you have physical restrictions that can make regular bikes challenging to ride, or if you simply want to enjoy all that the wind has to offer. They can make your weekend travels with your family more enjoyable and are also helpful for daily commutes to work. If e-bikes are still not fast enough for you despite being reasonably quick these days, it might be time to pick up some wind with planes. Planes are thrilling and give you a great aerial view. They will get you to your faraway dream destination much faster. So if you're thinking of getting one, check out our video on the most expensive planes in the world in 2022. We hope you enjoyed this video, and see you there!